Okay. I would say internal audit looks into controls that the company places, preventive controls, detective controls, to make sure it operates the way it should be, right? So if someone shouldn't be fat fingering, let's say something over $10,000, there should be a control placed in the system that says anytime someone at a manager or below level puts something at 10K, it should be blocked by the system. So we'll go in and check to say, all right, did the detective controls find that and block it? And we can also do preventive measures. So I'd say internal audit is the assessment of the company's operational controls, making sure it's working and making sure we're reporting that to governmental bodies to ensure that the company is working effectively, it's sound, and if it is a public company, the investors also benefit from that information to say, I can rely on the financial statements, the revenues, etc., and work off of this because they are, complying to governmental bodies and there's nothing fishy happening in the business.
Great.